We have developed remotely operated vehicles for ground applications earlier that we wanted to convert for the surface vehicle. So as a technology demonstration things, we developed certain vehicles like a double hull catamaran, then this rigid hull inflatable boat, and one weapon mounted boat. These three variants we developed. We made it unmanned. That means there will not be any human being on board the vessel. It can be remotely controlled, and it transfers the video feed to the ground control station. It is useful for surveillance purpose, then patrolling, reconnaissance. Entire this is called actually the maritime security. So for this kind of application, these all three boats are very useful.
Media personal.
निकल गया होगा हमारा रेडियम लगा हुआ है इसको रेडियम दिख रहा है वो भी स्क्रैच है ये रेडियम ही
जो आप देख रहे हैं कंटिन्यू सिंगलाइज है और आप जैसे कि उसने टारगेट को लॉक किया तो
Currently, the endurance of these vehicles on board is roughly 4 hours. It varies with the variants. The endurance part is around 4 hours. It will keep patrolling or keep doing the surveillance. Then it can run at the speed of maximum of 10 nautical mile currently, but we are confident enough that we can increase this speed up to 25 nautical miles.
What fuel does it uses?
The onboard engines are there for rigid hull inflatable boat as well as for this weapon mounted boat. The onboard engines are there. It runs on the petrol.
ये बॉटल पहले पानी की बॉटल ऊपर